Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add language fonts on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't of course already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have your sites where you can check out all of your websites. We have the setup, we have the home, we also have the settings, the design site, and of course we have the dashboard where we are at the very moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add language fonts on Wix. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So when you're in your editor, you can go by clicking on the bottom left corner and in the top right corner design site and you'll pop up by your editor. Click any text element in your editor so you can find your text, so you can click on any of it. So we have this one. Then click edit text, which is here, as you can see. When you click edit text, here you have, as you can see, a lot of things that you can go and do. Click add language at the bottom right, at the bottom of the screen, and then select the chat box next to relevant language, and then just at the end, go and click save. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So, if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.